Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy, California. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 122 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely Mojave Beige-Metallic paint colour. The vehicle features a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, as well as a set of front parking sensors. Across all four wheels we'll find a set of 18-inch Montresso alloy wheels finished in a black and silver colour combination. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find some privacy glass on the heated rear windscreen, and further helping you park and manoeuvre there's a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Behind the tailgate there is a large selection of items here. On the left we have a pull-out single hob burner with a kitchen prep area, as well as a storage drawer with a drawer for organising your kitchen cutlery. In the back there is a 3-seater bench with plenty of leg space and some foldable tables. And the back the bed folds down, providing a good night's sleep once you reach your camping destination. The fixed panoramic glass sunroof lets plenty of light into the vehicle. Up front for driver and passenger we'll find some more of the comfortable upholstery with an armrest in the middle. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system where you can access a variety of different settings, such as vehicle settings, as well as use the inbuilt nav or connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, as well as a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy, California. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.